You'll need a multimeter tool and 2 cables. Okay, first things first. We're gonna put the black cable into COM. COM stands for common, and we're always going to use this input no matter what we're measuring. Then you can choose from 3 different inputs. One with a volt and a resistance symbol. The other 2 is for measuring current. We're going to focus on measuring volts and resistance. So we put the red cable in this hole. Then we want to turn the meter on. We do that by pressing this button that says power. When measuring volts, you need to know if you're going to measure alternating current or direct current. I'm going to be measuring my computer charger, and I know that computer chargers uses direct current, so I'm going to put the knob around here. But there's many options where I can put a knob, and where I put it depends on how much I'm going to measure. I think that computer chargers uses less than 20 volts, so I put the knob on 20. You always want to put the knob one higher than what you expect to measure. If you don't do that, it won't work. So I put it on 20 because I think I'm measuring less than 20 volts. Your charger needs to be plugged in order to measure the volts. So you take a computer charger, put one conductor on the inside and the other conductor on the outside. Then there should come a number on the screen. Here it says 19.7 volts, so it sounds about right. Now we're going to measure resistance. On my multimeter tool it's about here. There's many settings to choose from, and what you choose depends on how much resistance you're going to measure. I'm going to measure the resistance from between my 2 cables, the black and red one you see here. Now that's going to be a very low resistance because it's all metal. So I'm going to put it on the lowest setting, 200 ohm. And then you're ready to go. Just put the 2 metal ends on top of each other. Mine reads about 0.5, 0.6 ohm. That's not a lot. Now we can measure just about everything. I'm going to try and measure my body's resistance. I'm going to measure from my left hand to my right hand. Now that's going to be a lot more resistance. So I'm going to put the knob on 20 mega ohm. Right there. Now it's ready, just touch your hands with the metal ends. It's not going to hurt, you don't feel anything. And it says about 2.6 mega ohm.